Good afternoon. My name is Jason. Today I am going to make a chicken grill. So now I am going to start making chicken with all condiments. Let's see. This one chicken slice. Which one I am going to grill. And other things I just use electric grill. Which one we call flat grill. We have some paste for garlic paste. We have paprika powder, which we call a little bit spicy red powder. This one is our special chicken masala, for which one we use in chicken grill. We have some grams. This one lemon, and it is pure lemon juice. Once I start marination, chicken is ready. So everything, every condiment, chicken, garlic paste, paprika powder, lemon juice, and one special our chicken meat. Let's start to grill the chicken. Now we start in flat grill, chicken grill. This one temperature is 300 Fahrenheit to 350. This for one slice only, flat of one slice. Let's start. Put little oil. Slice of chicken. We need to cook that one 5 to 7 minutes in degree of 300 to 350 Fahrenheit. We need to wait 5 to 7 minutes as per heat. So I just wait for until cooking one slice of slice. I almost time. I'm going to change slice of side of chicken. Let's wait for one slide almost cook and another slide for 5 to 7 minutes. Chicken is almost ready. Just I'll take out from grill. This one, the grilled chicken. Which one almost cooked very nicely. You can check very inside, outside. It's grilled very nicely. So, thank you.